The brain generates different waves and frequencies through the synchronous firing of large groups of neurons. These electrical signals are known as brain waves, and they occur at different frequencies that correspond to specific mental state of a human. These brain waves are typically categorized based on their frequency ranges, and they are generated by the coordinated electrical activity of neurons. On the basis of frequency ranges, these brain waves are bifurcated into different types. The first one is delta waves, which starts from 0.5 and ends at 4 Hz, and which is responsible for deep sleep and healing. Too much of delta waves can cause excessive drowsiness and mental fog. On contrary, too little can lead to insomnia and lack of deep sleep. Secondly, there is a theta waves, which starts from 4 Hz and ends up to 8 Hz. It is responsible for creativity and meditation. It increases the intuition, imagination, and problem-solving skill of a human. It enhances memory formation and learning. Too much of theta waves can lead to mental fog and excessive daydreaming. On contrary, too little can make it harder for a human to become more creative and expressive in emotions. The third one is alpha wave, which starts from 8 Hz up to 14 Hz, which is responsible for making you more relaxed and mindful. It increases your focus, mental clarity, and relaxation. Also, it enhances learning and memory by promoting super learning states among humans. It is common during flow states and light meditation. The fourth one is beta waves, starts from 14 Hz and to 30 Hz, which is responsible for problem solving and active thinking. It enhances focus, logical reasoning, and analytical power among humans. Too much of it can cause stress, anxiety, and racing thoughts. And too little of it can cause a lack of focus and slow thinking. Also, beta waves are responsible for making you more alert and active. The next one is gamma waves, range from 30 Hz to 100 Hz, which is responsible for making you more conscious. Too much of it can lead to overstimulation and hyperactivity, and too little of gamma waves can cause slow thinking and lack of cognitive sharpness. Besides these brain waves, some external frequencies are also identified by the researchers, which are responsible for affecting the brain. External sound waves or frequencies such as binaural beats, isochronic tones, and music therapy can influence brain waves, which ultimately improves the mood, focus, and sleep patterns. Here, binaural beats, which means listening to different frequencies in each ear. When you listen to two slightly different frequencies, the brain perceives the difference and starts synchronizing with that frequency. For example, listening to 200 Hz in one ear and 205 Hz in the other produces a 5 Hz beat, which can induce theta waves, and theta waves are responsible for making you relax. Similarly, isochronic tones, these are the single tones that turn on and off at specific frequencies to stimulate a brainwave state. It is common in meditation apps and therapy sessions. Next is solfeggio frequencies, which are also termed as ancient healing tones. Certain frequencies are believed to have specific healing effect on human body. From all these external brain waves or frequencies, solfeggio frequencies have a unique effect on the mind and body of individual. In this concern, 396 or we can say 396 Hz frequency is said to liberate the human from guilt and fear. It is responsible for releasing fear-based blockages and promoting emotional healing within person. Similarly, next frequency, called as 417 Hz, is responsible for facilitating change and undoing negative situations. This frequency is thought to help remove negative energy and bring about positive changes. It is often used to clear emotional trauma and promote new beginnings. The third is 528 Hz, which is often called as transformative frequency. This frequency is often referred as the love frequency as it is believed to have a deep healing effect on the heart chakra and encourages spiritual transformation. It is also associated with DNA repair or regeneration and healing. Also, it is associated with miraculous happening where manifestation and affirmation works highly when you relate it with the 528 Hz. The next one is 639 Hz, which is responsible for making you more social and creating harmony among your relationships. This frequency is believed to have strengthened relationships and communication, which promotes forgiveness, understanding, and reconciliation. The fifth one is awakening intuition and inner strength frequency, comes under the range of 741, which is responsible for cleansing your mind and enhancing the strength. It is responsible for making you expressive, creative, and it also improves your intuition. Hence, solfeggio frequencies are ancient musical tones believed to possess healing properties and can be used in sound therapy, meditation, and spiritual practices. While they have a historical connection to sacred music and spiritual practices, their modern application in wellness and therapy focuses on emotional healing, stress reduction, and improving overall mental well-being of individuals.